Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Stay Healthy and Waste Less class. My name is Leah, and I am the Nutrition Pantry Program Project Coordinator with Leah's Pantry. Today we're going to talk about expiration dates. So what does best if used by, sell by, and expired by really mean? And then we're going to make a delicious egg and cheese taco together, and the best part is you only need a microwave. Just a quick reminder, if you're a resident of San Mateo County, please fill out our online form after you watch the class to earn your Veggie RX voucher. These vouchers are essentially money you can use to buy fruits and vegetables at local farmers markets, and they never expire. So once you fill out a form, we'll mail you the voucher and also send you a voucher guide. And for more information, check out the link in the video description. Let's start by exploring expiration dates. Today we're going to talk about decoding the mystery behind expiration dates. Did you know that unopened cans and boxed foods are often safe to eat long after the stamp date? Well, it's true. Best by, sell by, and expiration dates can be confusing for buyers. So here's the rundown. Best if used by means the product's flavor and quality will be best by the date listed. After this date, the product is still safe to eat. Canned foods, like a can of beans, can last a long time after their code date. Beans are good for up to 3 years after their code date. Canned fruits are good for up to 1 to 2 years, and vegetables, meat, and fish are still good for 2 to 3 years after their code date. So the next time you do a big pantry clean out, make sure you check the code date on the bottom of the can, and then check to see how long that item is still good for. Sell by is on refrigerated foods such as milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, and lunch meat. Stores must sell these foods by this date, even though they are still safe to eat. Expiration dates are listed on baby formula, medicine, and vitamins, and you should not use these items after their expiration date has passed. Now that you know a little bit more about how to decode an expiration date, let's get started making our recipe. So this is a really simple recipe from our website, eatfresh.org. You do not need to use a stove. You can make everything in the microwave and it can be finished in under 5 minutes. What you'll need for this recipe is a tablespoon of milk or water, 2 large eggs, 2 tortillas, corn or flour will work, 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese or any type of cheese you like. Rinse a can of black beans and drain that can, and you'll need to use 1/2 cup of that. 1/4 cup of salsa, salt and pepper to taste, and then anything else you want to add to your tacos. So if you want to add ground turkey or chicken, that would be a great addition. Avocado or bell pepper, maybe some tomatoes diced. So really just whatever you like on a taco, you can add to this one. So first step, you'll want to crack 2 eggs and mix them together with your tablespoon of milk or water. Mix the eggs up really well. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then take your eggs and put them in the microwave and cook them for 1 minute. Mix them together again, put them back in the microwave and cook on high for 1 more minute. Due to the magic of television, I've already cooked my eggs in the microwave. So once you're done with that, you can take your egg mixture and spoon it on top of your tortilla, and then you just add the toppings. So earlier we talked about decoding the mystery behind expiration dates. This can of beans that was in my pantry had a coded date of 2019, but I looked online and saw that cans of beans are good for up to 3 years after their code date, so I knew they were still perfectly safe to eat. I rinsed and drained them, which can remove up to 40% of the extra sodium that's in a can, so it's a great thing to do. Then I go ahead and layer a tablespoon of cheese on top, and I just add some fresh salsa to top it off. And there you go. You have a super easy, quick, and delicious egg and cheese taco. So let's see how they taste. That's good. Really good. Thank you all for tuning in today and learning more about the truth behind expiration dates and also how to make these easy and delicious egg and cheese tacos. Don't forget to fill out our online form if you're a resident of San Mateo County to receive your Veggie RX voucher. Stay healthy and waste less. Bye everyone. Eatfresh.org. Okay. John, get out.